What's up guys, it's me Geek. So how good is the Samsung Galaxy S6 flashlight? Let me turn on the flashlight for you. So yeah, this is the Samsung Galaxy S6 flashlight. Let me make the screen dimmer. Can you see everything is dark, right? Yeah, now is everything dark, right? Can you see? I mean the flashlight is quite good. Let me be honest with you, the flashlight is quite good. I wanna be honest with you, the flashlight is quite good. As you can see, the flashlight is really very good. You can easily read. It's not one of the brightest, but it still get the job done. What else you want? So yeah, it was me, Jimmy Geek. I really love the Samsung Galaxy S6. It was me, Jimmy Geek. Subscribe and bye. Check out the links in the description box. Plus support me on Amazon. Bye.